Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the gold color version in 256 gigabytes. This is the box that it comes with. It's a black box. It's very simple. Not much information on it. Opening up, it slides right out. And as you can see, we're greeted with the phone. Just the Apple logo on it this time. The 3 cameras in the gold color. Got a pull tab. Very beautiful device. Let's take the plastic off. As you can see, it's very nice. Let's power the thing on. And see what else comes in the box. Signed by Apple in California. Bunch of stickers. We got the new fast charger. The usual headphones, wired. And the USB-C to USB Lightning, which is new. Let's take a closer look at the phone now. As you can see on the bottom, we've got the lightning charger, microphone and speaker, and antenna band, just one, nothing on the other side. On the left side, we have the volume up and down, mute switch, and another antenna, 2 more antenna bands, one on the bottom, one on the top. On top, we've got an antenna band and nothing else. And on the right side, we've got a power button,
voiceover alert, voice,
antenna band, and another antenna band at the bottom. On the back, we've got the new 3 camera system, a microphone, and it looks like it's a dual flash, but I'm not 100% sure on that. We also have an Apple logo, the new frosted look, and no more iPhone on the bottom. Now we're just gonna go around and show you the phone in more detail. It feels very premium. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.